I'm Asha and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how beautiful our Mother Earth is and why it is so important to us. Our planet is a magnificent place. Our Mother Earth is so beautiful, its nature is incredible and spectacular. Known as blue planet due to abundance of water, the Earth is incredibly complex and vibrant ecosystem where living organisms interact with each other and their environment to create ideal conditions for life. fragile our planet is and how important it is to protect it. Knowingly or unknowingly, we are bleeding on our Mother Earth. Ever increasing and never ending human demands has put our Earth in imminent danger. Do you know the fact that every day 2 million tons of sewage, industrial and agriculture waste are discharged into the world's water body? This is equivalent to the weight of entire human population on this planet. Our planet is currently losing over 15 billion trees each year, which is equivalent to 56 acres of forest every minute. About 3.3 million deaths are caused by outdoor air pollution. Many species are disappearing from our planet. This statistic is scary but sadly reflects the price we are paying for our life. Living on this planet also means living this place beautiful, clean and healthy for our next generation also. Individually, we are not capable of changing the whole world, like reverse the effects of climate change, but we can make our world a better place to live in. Because with our small and little ways, we can make a huge difference. We all together can change these conditions by remembering 3 words and implementing them in our regular life. Those words are reduce, reuse and recycle. We can reduce, reuse and recycle plastic, paper, electronic waste, wooden articles and non-biodegradable items. Let's unite together and protect our Mother Earth. If you liked my video, do like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.